Hello everyone, welcome to CUET Current Affair episode. Let's start today's episode. First question is, what is the name of Prasar Bharati's newly launched OTT platform? Streams, waves, channels or broadcast? The correct answer is option B, waves. The OTT platform launched by Prasar Bharati is named Waves, which aims to provide diverse content to viewers. Next question, where are the sacred relics of Saint Francis Xavier housed? Say Cathedral, Church of St. Paul, Basilica of Bom Jesus or St. Cartesian Church? The correct answer is option C, Basilica of Bom Jesus. The incorruptible remains of Saint Francis Xavier are housed at the Basilica of Bom Jesus in Old Goa. Next question, who has been appointed as the Chief Justice of Manipur High Court? Justice Siddharth Mridul, Justice N.V. Ramanna, Justice Ranjan Gogoi or Justice D. Krishna Kumar? The correct answer is option D, Justice D. Krishna Kumar. Justice D. Krishna Kumar has been appointed as the Chief Justice following the retirement of Justice Siddharth Mridul. Next question, what significant initiative was launched during World Fisheries Day? National Fish Farming Scheme, 5th Marine Fisheries Census, International Fishing Regulations or Ocean Cleanup Project? The correct answer is option B, 5th Marine Fisheries Census. The census aims to support data-driven policy making for sustainable fisheries management. Next question, what types of data will the AI data bank utilize? Social media data only, financial transaction data only, satellite, drone and IoT data or weather data only? The correct answer is option C, satellite, drone and IoT data. The data bank will leverage real-time analytics from satellite, drone and IoT sources. Next question, what organization has identified climate change as the biggest disruptor in aquaculture? World Health Organization, Food and Agriculture Organization, International Monetary Fund or United Nations Environment Programme? The correct answer is option B, Food and Agriculture Organization. The Food and Agriculture Organization, that is FAO, has highlighted climate change as a significant threat to global aquaculture. Next question, what award will Guyana confer on PM Modi? The Order of Excellence, Honorary Order of Freedom, Grand Commander of the Order of Niger or Dominica Award of Honor? The correct answer is option A, the Order of Excellence. Guyana will confer its highest national award, the Order of Excellence, on PM Modi during his visit. Next question, which region has seen significant benefits from new airport developments under UDAN? Western India, Northeast India, Southern India or Northern India? The correct answer is option B, Northeast India. The Northeast region has experienced considerable improvements in accessibility due to new airport developments under the UDAN scheme. Next question, what is India's rank in the Sustainable Trade Index 2024? 15th, 20th, 23rd or 25th? The correct answer is option C, 23rd. India ranks 23rd in the Sustainable Trade Index 2024. Last question, which organization collaborated with the Indian Society of Soil Science to organize the conference? Food and Agriculture Organization, World Bank, United Nations Environment Programme or International Union of Soil Sciences? The correct answer is option D, International Union of Soil Sciences, that is IUSS. The conference was organized by the Indian Society of Soil Science in collaboration with the IUSS. Now is the time for practice question. What recent classification has the African penguin received from the IUCN? Vulnerable, endangered, critically endangered or extinct? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.